In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Discord Mobile. So for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and open your Discord. So this is my profile right here. I'm just going to go ahead and tap the settings or the gear icon at the top. And then if I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, you should be able to see here notifications. Go ahead and click that. Now, there are three things that we are going to talk about here. Number one is going to be the in-app notifications, which is what we have here at the top. Now, if you want to turn off all the in-app notifications, you just go ahead and toggle this off. Now, system notifications refers to that we receive on a phone. So what we are going to do if we want to turn it off is just click this one right here and just simply toggle this off, just like so. So as you can see, by doing so, the system is blocking this app's notification from appearing on this device. Now, what we are going to do is close this one because the last thing that we are going to talk about is per channel or per server notifications, which is what we found down here. So, notify on every new message in conversations, you can just toggle this off. Enable super reaction notification, turn it off, and then the last one here as well. And yep, that is how you are going to do this, everybody. By doing so, you have now disabled all the notifications that you have from your Discord.